Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last time we mastered the footwork for Kalbeliya, we learned 3 different footwork, and today we're going to learn how to combine them with certain hand movements that are particular to Kalbeliya. Just a quick revision for the footwork. We learned the first basic footwork, which was the tapping of the foot. The second one where we could kick our leg, tap the right foot, kick the leg. And the third one was to step out and tap to the side. With these 3 footwork, we have learned the foundation. These are only like very basic steps of Kalbeliya. Let's go with our first basic. In the first basic, we're going to start by opening the hands to the side and the palm is facing outwards. We're going to bring the palm in, then move to the Alapadma or the flower, and we pull it in as well. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. This goes with the second basic footwork that we have learned, where I'm facing the side with my body and I'm tapping 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could also do it with the lifting of the legs, so making sure the left heel is up and we're going tap, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second basic that we are going to learn today is a step that completes in 3, and on the 4th beat we have sort of a pause. I start with scooping my hands to the side like you're sliding under something, then the hands turn towards you, you keep the thumbs out, and then you close the hands with a little bit of a jerk. You can go to the right side, 1, 2, 3, left side, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close. Okay, from there you're thinking on the 4th beat, you're not really going to stop the tapping of the footwork, but the hands are going to stop. So it goes with the first basic, where I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third hand movement we're going to do goes with the third footwork basic. In this, I'm pushing my palms upwards, palm facing up, and then at the last moment I'm turning my palms and opening into the flower. Push the palms up, turn, flower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so when I do it with the feet it goes tap, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What I quickly want to say today is that Kalbeliya is done by a particular community in the state of Rajasthan, and it's their dance style. I have learned from many of the saperas, and I want to make sure that I'm not taking away the opportunities from them. I want to keep giving back to them. That's why I go and learn from them. If you think you want to go deeper into the dance style and learn more things, I would ask you to get in touch with me. They teach the classes online as well, and you can start learning from them. I quickly want to say that this is just the start of the channel Indian Folk Dance with Swapnil, and there's a lot more to come. If you would like to learn something new, something that you'd like to know about the tutorials that I have taught until now, leave a comment below. And if you would like to continue the journey, then please like, share and subscribe.